Hello my dear students and welcome back to my class of public speaking. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm back again with yet another topic, which is climate change. Basically, what is climate change, children? Climate change, it refers to the change in the environmental conditions of the earth. Now there are two causes which contribute to the changes in the climatic conditions of the earth. They are man-made causes and natural causes. But the major contributing factor which has greatly accelerated the process of climate change is man-made causes. Let us focus on some of the man-made causes first. Massive deforestation activities. Deforestation means the clearing of forest and the land, and that particular land is then utilized for for building of massive civil projects, construction of dams, agricultural activities and so on. Point number 2, excessive usage of hydrocarbons and fossil fuels. Usage of automobiles running on petrol and diesel engines on a large scale has led to the emission of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide on a large scale. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide have a unique property of entrapping heat inside them. This has led to an increase in global temperature. Point number 3, excessive usage of chlorofluorocarbons. Usage of CFCs in refrigeration industry has led to the ozone layer depletion. Now let us look at some of the natural causes. Some of the natural causes are volcanic eruptions, variations in solar radiation, etc. Children, climate change nowadays, it has become a global concern for over the last few decades. The Earth's temperature is also rising day by day, as we all know that. And what is the consequence of that? Oceans and glaciers have also experienced some changes. For example, glaciers are melting and slowly the level of sea is also rising. The nature of rain has also become uncertain because of this. Children, we must be aware of the consequence of climate change before it is too late. Tree plantation can reduce global warming to a great extent. Therefore, we should plant more and more trees. Now let us look at the mind map. Children, please keep these following points in mind while you are recording the video. Point number 1, data collection. You can collect some information on the topic given, that is today's topic is climate change. So you can collect some information on the given topic, and then if you want you can make a script and then you can record your video. It will help you a lot. Point number 2, introduction, content and conclusion. So your speech should have a proper introduction wherein you can introduce your topic to the audience, and then it will be followed by the main content, that is the main body. There you can say about, maybe if you want you can start by saying the definition of a climate change, and then you can write what are the causes of it, what are the effects of it, and then lastly you can conclude your speech by giving the conclusion. Point number 3, eye contact. Like I always remind you, dear children, please don't take selfie videos. While I go through your videos, I still see that many of you are taking selfie videos, so please kindly don't do that. Keep a proper distance, and then you can just record your video. Keep your phone somewhere and then you can record your video accordingly. Then point number 4, grammar and pronunciation. So while you are making the script here, while you are collecting the data, so when you make your script, kindly go through, read that properly, and then look out for grammatical errors, and then also pay attention to the pronunciation of words. So that's all, my dear children. You can send your videos on the allotted time and then feedback will be given. Thank you, dear kids. I will be back again with yet another video. Till then, take care.